Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive into a legal case of the Raja Amir Khan versus Federation of Pakistan 2023. This case involved around the challenge to the constitutionality of the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act 2023. We will explore the key legal arguments and the constitutional provision at the play, the broader implications of this case. Join us. We will analyze the significant legal development. This case brought before the Supreme Court of Pakistan under Article 184 of 3 of the Constitution, which grant the court original jurisdiction to hear cases involving question of public importance with a reference to the enforcement of fundamental rights. The petitioner Raja Amir Khan and the other challenged the constitutionality of Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act 2023, argued that it violates very constitutional provisions and fundamental rights arguments. Constitutionality of the act, the petitioner argued that the act was unconstitutional and as sought to be altered the established practice and procedure of the Supreme Court, which is protected under Article 191 of the Constitution. Legislative process. The petitioner contended the legislative process for passing this act was defective. Fundamental rights. The petitioner emphasizes that the act infringes upon the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution, particularly the right of fair trial and the independence of the judiciary. Legal analysis Constitution provision Article 191. This article grants Supreme Court the power to make rules and regulation, its practices and procedure. The petitions argue that the Act sought to displace the rule-making power, which is constitutionally protected. Article 75. It lays the legislative process, including the requirement for a bill to pass by the both houses of the parliament and assent of president. The petition claimed the act did not follow the process correctly. Fundamental rights. The constitution granted the fundamental rights, including the right to the fair trial and the independence of the judiciary. The petitioner argued that the act violated these rights by altering the established practice and the procedure of the Supreme Court decision. The Supreme Court, by majority of 10 to 5, upheld the constitutionality of the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act 2023. The court found that the act is within the legislative competence and the parliament does not violate anything. In conclusion, the case of Raja Amir Khan versus Federation 2023 highlights the complexity of constitutional law and the balance between the legislative authority and the judicial independence. The Supreme Court decisions uphold that underscores the importance of adhering to constitutional provision and ensuring that the legislative process are followed correctly. Stay tuned for more legal analysis. Like and subscribe and share. Thank you.